Welcome to our channel. Today we how to apply for the Capital One Venture Card, Travel Card Guide step by step clearly. First, confirm that the Capital One Venture Card fits your travel goals, because it earns miles you can use to cover travel purchases. Next, review the current welcome bonus offer and its spending requirement, so you know what you must do after approval. Check the card's annual fee and key benefits like travel credits or partner transfers, so there are no surprises later. Estimate your credit readiness by looking at your credit score and recent payment history, because approval odds improve with strong credit. Gather your personal information, including your full legal name, date of birth, and social security number or ITIN if applicable. Prepare your contact details such as your current address, phone number, and email address, and make sure they are accurate. Collect your employment details, including employer name if you have one, job status, and how long you have worked there. Calculate your total annual income, and be ready to include eligible income sources you can reasonably access. Know your monthly housing payment, whether it is rent or a mortgage, because many applications ask for it. Open a secure browser and type the official Capital One website address to avoid phishing or fake sites. Use the site search to find Venture Card and open the Capital One Venture Rewards credit card page. Read the pricing and terms section carefully, focusing on APR ranges, fees, and balance transfer or cash advance rules. Click the button that says Apply Now or See if I'm pre-approved if that option is available to you. If pre-approval is offered, complete it first because it can show potential eligibility with a minimal impact on your credit. When you start the full application, enter your personal information exactly as it appears on official documents. Input your social security number or ITIN carefully, because a typo can delay processing or cause a denial. Enter your current address and confirm it matches what is on your credit profile to reduce verification issues. Provide your employment status and income, and double-check the numbers for accuracy before moving forward. Answer any additional questions such as citizenship or residency status truthfully and consistently. Review the consent and disclosures, because submitting authorizes Capital One to check your credit. Submit the application and stay on the confirmation page until you see a success message or next step instructions. If you get an instant approval, follow the prompts to set up your online account and choose paperless options if you want. If your decision is pending, watch for an email or letter requesting identity verification or additional documents. If you are asked to verify identity, respond quickly and provide only the requested documents through official Capital One channels. If you are denied, read the adverse action notice to understand the reasons, such as credit utilization or limited history. Consider calling the Capital One reconsideration line if appropriate, and calmly ask whether more information can help. After approval, activate the card as soon as it arrives and set up autopay to avoid late payments. Start meeting the welcome bonus spending requirement responsibly and track your progress in your Capital One account. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.